Hi friends, I am Yash. Today I will show you an wall clock which is of old generation. See, this is a wall clock. This is its key. Now I will show you its inner part. See. When the key is put, this gets stretched and this moves. By this it moves and the other behind this also moves. See. This is its main. See, if you want to ring the bell, pull this, the red. If you want to ring bell, pull this, red. When this is pulled, this rotates and the bell strikes at this. When metal ring is put at it, it sounds. When we pull this, it is attached with this. So this came forward and this goes up. When this goes up, it releases the spring and this moves. So this moves and this fan moves also. By this rotates. It strikes. So the bell moves. It is key. I will show you its sound also. I am ringing this. See, I pull this. This goes up and rotates, and this strikes the metal ring. This only stops at this long. See, this also stops at its long. At this does not stop. See, I am ringing. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to buy it, contact Yash Kodwani on Facebook. Thank you. Subscribe.